Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be showing you this on the IBKR client portal on the web. First, log into your Interactive Brokers client portal. Once you're logged in, look for the Transfer and Pay tab in the top navigation bar and click on it. You can also find it by clicking the menu icon in the top left corner, then selecting Transfer and Pay. Either way, you'll see the Transfer Funds page load. Now, click on Deposit Funds. This will bring up the deposit method selection screen. If you're managing multiple accounts, use the account selector to choose the right account before continuing. Next, you'll need to select the currency you want to deposit. Click the currency drop-down and choose your currency. This could be euros, US, dollars, pounds, Australian dollars, or a few others. Once you've selected the currency, choose Transfer from Wise Balance as your deposit method. If this is your first time using this method, you'll be redirected to the Wise website to authorize the connection. Log into your Wise account to link it to IBKR. If you don't have a Wise account yet, you'll need to complete the onboarding process and upload your documents. Once that's done, you'll see the quote screen. If you've already linked your Wise account before, you'll skip straight to the quote screen. On the quote screen, you'll see the source currency, any fees, the conversion rate if you're converting currencies, the target currency amount, and when the money should arrive. The transfer fee is usually around 40 to 50 cents. You can modify the amount you want to transfer if needed. Finally, review everything one more time, then click to confirm at the bottom of the screen to submit the transfer. You'll get an email from IBKR once the funds are deposited, which typically takes 1 to 2 working days, so keep an eye on your inbox for that confirmation. If you deposited a non-US dollar currency, you can convert it to US dollars inside IBKR using the currency conversion feature. That'll cost you about $2 to $2.50 in fees. You can also check your transfer status anytime under Transfer and Pay, then Transaction, Status, and History. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.